Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to dimension your drawing in Autocad software, Open software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. So I will click on Start Drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So the dimension command is available in the annotation panel over here, this one. So currently we don't have any drawing on the screen. So I will draw some shapes, but before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So I will draw some shape now. So in this drawing, we have four lines in this rectangle and a circle and an arc. So let us dimension this. So come to the dimension command. So to find out the length of a line, all you have to do is just come to the line and click on it. And as you can see, the dimension line location is attached to your cursor. Just place it where you want to place it. So I'll place it over here and I press the escape key now. But as you can see, the number over here is very small. It is not clearly visible. So I will change one of the dimension setting. Just observe now. So I come to the annotation here and I click on the dimension style option over here and I click on modify and I come to the text tab over here, and in the text tab you can see the text height. Just change the value. I'll type in 0.6. Click on OK and click on set current. Close. Now the number is clearly visible. So there are number of dimension settings you can change. I will explain all of them in the upcoming video. Now let us continue with the dimensioning. So come to the dimension option over here, click on it. So I click on this line to find out the length of that line and I place it over here. In the same way, I will click on this line over here and I place the dimension over here. Just observe the dimension command is still running, so you can keep dimensioning any of the objects on the screen. So I'll come to the circle now. I click on it and you can see the diameter, and in the same way I come to the arc now and I click on it and you can see the radius of that arc. And in the same way, if I click on two lines, the first one is this line and now click on the second line. So now you can see the angle between these two lines. Got it? So using the dimension command, you can dimension any kind of object. It can be line, it can be circle, it can be arc, or if you want to find out angle, you can do everything using this dimension option or the dimension command. Got it? So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.